Hello everyone, this is Mustafa Saadi, and in this video we'll talk about 7 useful Visual Studio Code extensions for programmers to make life easier. So let's start our video. First Visual Studio Code extension today is Regex Previewer. I think all of the programmer face this problem of how can we check if our regex code is working right. So this extension shows the current regular expressions matches in a side-by-side document. This can be turned off on with the short of keyboard Control Alt M. So you can easily install this extension to your Visual Studio Code application by hitting the install button. It will open the Visual Studio Code. Then it will open the page for the extension. Now I have installed it already, and I'm using it. It's a simple, super simple extension that helps you to preview your regex. The second one is Mentlify Doc Writer or Documentation Writer for too many of programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and TypeScript, and C++, and too many other language. It simply works in this way. You select the code you want to generate the documentation for it and hit the button of generate documentation. It's simply and it's too simple to use. The languages supported is Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and JSX for React, and TSX for Nest.js. And they will add more language in the futures, and the docstring formats is supported is JSDoc and too many of the popular documentation formats. The third extension is Sort Lines. It's a super simple extension that you will use to sort strings in your Visual Studio Code application. It supports too many types of sorting, like sorting lines. This is the default. You can fire this with the F9 command key. And you can explore this all types of sorting types. And the settings is two simple settings: filter blank lines and sort entire file. You can simply install this and try it. You can activate this by hitting F1, or you can execute the default sort line by hitting the hotkey which is F9. The fourth one is Visual Studio Color Picker. This is too useful, I think, for programmers. Too many times I wanted to pick the color in another screen outside the Visual Studio Code, but I can't do this without this extension. And you must take care this is working only on the Windows, because it use the native color picker for the Windows. It's simply you can type the color. After type it, the picker will be launched automatically. Then you can use the native color picker for Windows. I think this is a good and too useful extension for your Visual Studio Code. Now we have this too big extension. I think it's an extension that used to edit and create the GitHub Justice and repositories, all of it inside your Visual Studio Code, and it has the preview feature. You can use it while editing or typing your JustPads or editing your repositories in GitHub. but you must know you need to sign in to your GitHub account, and no problem with this. This is a published and verified Visual Studio Code extension on the Visual Studio Marketplace. You can use this. This is the features for the extension. It supports too many features. This is a big extension, as I said before. You can posting images. It will be uploaded automatically to GitHub, and you will get the link. You can following users, exporting to repositories. You can making notes from scratch. You can access the guest log, which we can use the registers to share code snippets and files. You can check the gist log for showing your logs, and you can simply type to your blog on GistLog simply from this extensions, and access the repositories and access the wikis, and you will have the feature of making daily pages, and too many features. This extension is super extension to use with Justice with GitHub. This the next extension is called File Utilities. You will use it to create or duplicating or moving or even renaming and deleting files and directories within the Visual Studio Code application. This is a super simple application, but I think it is powerful enough to use it while you need to manipulate any type of files and directories. It has too many features, not the simple one of cloning or of, duplicating a file, but you can creating super powers with the brace expansion. As you can see, we have created 3 folders with even in each 3 files with 3 different extensions, support renaming, moving and duplicating and deleting, as we have said before. And this is the configuration, but I think you will try the brace expansion feature. It will be super powerful for you. The last extension we have is the log file highlighter. I think we need this in Visual Studio Code since it hasn't this feature natively in the logs. This extension helps you to highlight with colors any type of file, of a log file. It highlights the type of the log and the time stamp for the log, and you can use it with any type of a log file. Simply adding color and highlights the log types and the log file entirely. And I have tried it. It's super powerful to use. Here we come to the end of the video. I hope that you very satisfied with the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and don't forget to contact with us with all of these communication channels. See you later. Thank you.